Hey guys, it's me Baird and welcome back to another video. And today I'm gonna show you my latest custom build, or my first successful gunpla based on my materials. My very own Diablo Zaku. And I'll show you what these are for in a bit. So, as you can see here, it's actually based off of the IBO Gundam frame, because Char's mobile suit was always based off of Gundams, or built to match Gundams. I think his was considered a speed type. So yeah. Anyway, so as you can see here, based on the helmet and the way I built it, it has a huge range of opposability. Can look up that far, look down that far. This is APAC because this is the basic version. It can use any weapon, any basic weapon. The Neo Zeon army, but don't need that knife though. So anyways, like I said about the articulation, it has a good amount of crunch. That's because of the Gundam chest that I used. Of course, a basic ball joint with swivels. Ball joint here, and because of the IBO, the poly cap can go upward. So yeah, the first time I saw IBO come out and I got Gundam Barbados, I was really interested in the articulation and the actual build itself, because it was actually just a frame. It was pretty much an RG built in the HG category. Anyways, basic shoulders, basic swivel, basic bend, ball joint, and side to side. No front skirts, so you gotta go up that far, but because of back skirts, go back that far. Spread though, let's see. Yep. And then swivel here. Bend here. And these are the Kamaris Gundam's legs. So yeah. You're wondering why I colored the inside, and you'll know why. Because I gave this thing a special gimmick. Actually, it has two names. So yeah. It's supposed to be like a pivot up there, because the joint that goes along with the ball joint. Pivot here with a little bit of rotation at the toes. Now, oh yeah, that's right. Up and down. You can do that. And for the backpack, it can do that because I'm using the what was it called? I don't know. That red Gundam in IBO season 2. The one with the forbidden launchers. So yeah. In APAC, this is supposed to be incomplete, but if I get enough parts, if I get the right parts, I'll be able to make it complete. So for now, consider this APAC, or incomplete. So yeah, now for the gimmick. First off, you have to remove these And oh crap, freaking attachment. Oh shoot, is it breaking? Hope not. Hang on, got it out. And so now take off the shoulder armor. And now how you open up the backpack. You open it up and then you put this thing in that hole here and then put these up. And with, if I had the right rockets or propels or whatever they're called, rocket boosters, it'll be, I can make them all go this way. So yeah. And now for this thing. And yeah. Yep. I turned this thing into a Gundam. How do you like me now, folks? Because there's a new Gundam in town. Zaku Gundam. Basically, so what this thing is just a Gundam who is able to transform between Gundam mode and Zaku mode. Zaku mode is named Diablo Zaku, or mode 1, and then Zaku Gundam is called mode 2. So anyways, yeah, I think that's about it for my custom gunpla. And if I gotta say, I'm really proud of this. This is my first actual successful build that I ever had. I made another one, but it's completely ruined because of the acrylic paint I was using. I didn't know what I was doing, so yeah. So anyways, hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you didn't, I don't know. Anyways, make sure you like, dislike, comment, and or subscribe. And bye.